G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the world's smallest breakfast. With one of my silky chickens who laid an egg. It's about that big. So let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Hey guys, I wanted to show you the world's smallest egg. As you can see, these are eggs from my chickens. And over here, I have another egg. Let's compare it. Oh, it's funny. They're tiny. Tiny, tiny little egg. So the first thing we're going to do is get a lot of bacon. There we go. Chuck that on there. Then in about a minute we're going to put on our baked beans. Then I'm going to get the egg. Now this being a sandwich press, if you want you can cook it this way. Don't worry, it will die. It's just screaming. Getting out a smell maybe. Oh yes, yes. The face on it. You can see it was in pain right at the end. Let's see if we can capture his final moments. Yes, clearly very, very traumatic death for that piece of bacon. Now we don't want to overdo it, so don't overeat. So I don't know, maybe just three baked beans should be enough. If there's leftovers at the end of this, I'll just give it to the chickens. Now as those are cooking, we'll get our egg from my chickens. Well, you won't get the egg from my chickens, but I will. Have to try and maybe cut it open this way. Don't know if this is a good idea. There we go. Now we'll crack it into that. There we go. It's like a pretty big yolk, and then we'll cook that. There we go. Now just add a little bit of rocket, and of course it would not be complete without tomato sauce. There you go. How good is that? Well, got a little fork and a little spoon. Now what should we try? Oh yeah. Well, I hope you like this. Oh yeah, a whole meal on a spoon. Wow. I'm so full now. Can't believe I had a whole meal in one bite. See you next time for my next meal. Simple cooking.